When you're getting quotes for a new roof, sometimes comparing the two numbers at the bottom of the page isn't always enough. Two contractors can give you two very different prices because they might not be quoting the same roofing system. Does the quote cover removing the existing roof? What happens if damaged decking is discovered underneath? Make sure you understand what could result in an additional charge once the project begins. Next, look at the materials being used. Don't just settle for a quote that says shingle roof or metal roof. Find out what product is actually being installed and what goes underneath it. You should also pay close attention to the warranty. Ask what the manufacturer covers, what the contractor covers, and how long that protection lasts. And finally, make sure you understand who is actually doing the installation. A great roofing material still depends on being installed correctly. So when you're comparing roof quotes, don't automatically choose the lowest number. Make sure you're comparing the same scope of work and understand exactly what you're getting for your money. A good roofing contractor should be able to explain all of that before you sign anything.